we're starting already? Yeah. Wait, where's the gas? They said I have the gas in the brakes. Can you?
Your friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now and rendezvous with the Mandalorian. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace. And good luck.
This is the ship Mando sends. Let's see what it can do. Mando wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. Nice work on the tractor beam.
Where are you going?
Gunners, take out those scouts.
Now!
Focus on gunners. In our practice, we're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. On the plan, catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. Don't lose sight of them. Know where they're headed. Right, engineer, launch the homing beacons. Good work. We can only follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left, engineer, pick our destination.
Endor.
Fast.
Got it. Yes. Nice.
Endor. Let's see what we find. Grogu, buckle up. Make the jump to light speed. The Death Star.
Whoa.
Our bounty's trying to hide. Pilots, head into the wreckage, but be on alert. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me.
Go down, everyone.
They clocked us. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Engineers, grab the crate with your tractor beam. Gunners, you're up. Stay on target.
Engineers, power the gates to reality.
Stay off the comms, Amaka. You're not gonna make it. Left pilot, hit the boosters.
Oi.
Grogu, open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Now. Time to fly back to it. We're caught in a tractor leak. We have to get out of here. Gunners, release the torpedo. Now.
Oi. Oh.
Make a jump to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Look at all these crates. You are skilled smugglers indeed. Perhaps you will plan more missions for Mando.
Mando, what did you do to my ship?
Okay, crew, now let's wrap this up. Quickly.